Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to accept and manage Game Center friend request on Mac. So whenever someone sends you friend request in Game Center, you can decide whether to accept or decline it. You can also manage your pending requests whenever you want. This gives you a full control over who becomes your Game Center friend. If you would like to manage your friend request, click on the Apple logo first and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Game Center. And as you can see here in friend request section, I have received a notification. So click on it and it will open Games app. And here in friend request section, you can see I have received friend request from my brother. So to accept it, all you just need to click on this tick icon, write to their name, and also keep in mind that however friend request we have received here will expire after 25 days. So just accept it, or you can also ignore it by clicking on the cross icon, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.